Hey guys, so today it is like, right now it's like 3:30 in the afternoon and we have been working on the house all day today, and I just want to show you guys what we've been up to. We just came from Lowe's, been fixing up stuff around the house. New washing machine, loving.
Mom, who passed that in mine?
Use pictures. We have some more pictures that we're gonna put up. Yes, babe. That's the other picture that we put up. And this is the back door screen that needed to be replaced because that thing was tore up from the floor up. Babe is fixing the garbage disposal. I'm being a good wife by helping.
She's a good wife even when she doesn't help.
He's trying to earn points.
Real husbands don't earn points. We already got them.
Jingle, 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 jingle.
We're almost there.
Almost there for me.
We are almost there.
We are Iron Princess. We are Princess.
Go take that upstairs.
Me? Papa, me, Mom. Dad,
Alright, I got no leaks.
Dad, I'm still
That's
by
good.
myself.
How, Mama?
Dad, I'm still by myself.
You do it by
Okay, go
yourself?
ahead.
What are you trying to do by yourself?
We wanted to help and give the thing.
Alright, go ahead and try that.
I know.
I'm still
Leave
by
the water on?
myself, Dad, Dad, I'm still by myself. I'm still by myself. Mom, sit down.
Alright.
Dad, I'm still by myself, Dad.
No leaks. We have a garbage disposal. Yay! Now we're doing the back door screen. Is that working better? So you did need that then.
I mean, you could do it without it, but it's going to take you a long time.
Mom,
Yes.
it's good, Mom.
I'm being daddy's cheerleader.
See us. I like you. So cool. I don't know. Hugs. That
Yes, dog.
is right here on the wall. It's my best friend Hannah. That like squishy. Like squishy. If it's Anna, I say so like this. And chicken. Mom,
These are actually not bad. This one is black bean with sea salt.
This is good.
This is it. It has like a buttery taste. Not this type of flavor, not the black bean one. But they have another one that's quinoa, and I love it.
Yeah.
You like it?
Yep. Cause like this can like. Yep.
You can definitely taste the black bean. Babe, what you think?
It's pretty good. Pretty good. Nice. It really does taste like black beans.
Is it salty?
It's not salty. It's not overwhelming. You get
Yeah.
that roasted black bean taste.
Yeah. And sweet. Mom. And sweet.
Oh.
Mom. This is sweet.
There's another spicy one. Was it jalapeno?
Yeah. That one's pretty good. Pretty spicy though. I wouldn't give the kids, but it's pretty good.
So this is the jalapeno one. Yeah, this is the jalapeno one. Jalapeno nachos. My husband tried that one and he loves it. He loves spicy food anyway. I definitely would not give it to kids because it's a little spicy. It has a good kick to it, and my husband loved that. Talking about this one right here, the sea salt with bean and brown rice. Bean and brown rice. Let's look at the ingredients. Black beans, navy beans, brown rice, organic brown rice, safflower or sunflower oil, and sea salt. This is my favorite one of all. I love it. I love this one. This is my favorite. All day, my husband and I have been doing a lot of household stuff, kind of fixing up the house. And just as a little snack, I wanted to try those chips. I'm gonna put all of the information down in the description box, and on my blog you will definitely see some more information as well. This is a family-owned company that make these chips, and again, these are great. They have a pico de gallo, bean and brown, white bean. I have a daughter who loves the barbecue bean and rice chips, and I'm going to try the pico de gallo one. We're gonna try pico de gallo and see how that is. You gonna walk her? I'm just bringing her my bag to do this. You've been doing really well taking care of the dog. Let me try it.
Mom.
It has a lot of flavor, right?
A lot of flavor. I'm waiting for the spice. That's not spicy.
It says mild.
Should be fine. Not even.
It's not even that spicy, right?
Maybe my spicy taste buds are dead, but the jalapeno one is my favorite so far. That one is very, very spicy and a lot of seasoning, a lot of flavor.
My babe's still going at it.
Almost done.
Almost done. Alright guys, check out more information in the description box of on my blog. There's going to be a link in the description box below. More information about these chips and more pictures I'm going to show you guys. And other than that, if you're interested in trying it, like I said, there's more information about it on my blog. And that is it, guys. I don't know, maybe I guess I'll show you guys the final result of what the screen looks like. Alright, later. So remember, you see those flashes right there?
Mom, let me have it back.
Wait, hold on.
Okay.
Fair enough.
Daddy fixed it. And there you have it, guys. A day of fixing up the house, putting things up, patching things up. That's what we did, right, babe?
Yep.
Yes,
Washing
we did.
machine, garbage disposal, screen.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we have landscaping.
Oh yeah, tomorrow we got landscaping.
No.
I'm gonna help with that too. I need to learn how to do some landscaping around the house.
No.
You know how to do it?
But I'll tear it out. Let's make it look good.
We're gonna figure it out together.
That's the key thing. Make it look good.
Make our front yard look better. It don't look too bad now, babe.
It's not too bad, but
Make it look better. Now it's time to clean up.
No.
And we have to take a shower. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that red subscribe button. And in the description box is my most popular videos, so you can get to know me, Trista, and learn more about what I'm about here in this channel, A Purpose-Driven Wife. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed.